just heard that grinding sound. I don't know what's up with this thing. Ever since I got this car, it's made that sound. I replaced the starter like 4 times now. So, I don't know. It must be the flywheel or something. But alright, so today's gonna be quick video. I need to replace the front driver's side airline. Let's see. Damn. Yeah, there's no way. I should have grabbed a prop rod while I was at the junkyard. I should have, because now I gotta hold the hood up like this. This is just a quick repair today. I'm gonna go back and redo all this stuff, get a smaller tank and everything. All this is gonna change pretty soon, but for now I'm just gonna leave this in the spare wheel well for now. I used to actually have hardwood floors in here. I didn't have any interior. I actually painted this. My wheel well is a stupid ass AutoZone, like glittery color. I don't know why I did this. Oh, fuck. All right. Basically, to get the airline off of the strut, you have to loosen this little nut right here, and then this will just slide off. Jesus Christ, these flies are annoying the shit out of me. All right, so now that this is pretty much all tight, I hope, we're gonna route this underneath the car. It's a little better. Yeah, and it runs all the way back there. I really don't know what happened to this plastic piece that was supposed to go right here. I zip tied it to the brake line, went under, and then it runs all the way back into the spare wheel well. Hey, let's go. I think we're good. All right, we're gonna take this pretty much just down this year real quick, make sure everything works, and hopefully my car doesn't fall apart on me. Oh shit. There's fucking chocks on the back. Ooh. Is anybody else's clutch squeaky as mine? Dude. Miss this thing. But every time I'm in this car, people love staring. It's crazy. Dude, someone just almost... Bro, what the f? Someone just ran a red light, almost killed me. All right, well, we made it. Almost got hit by a dumbass Prius, but at least we didn't get T-boned. That would have sucked.
A good shot.
What drone is this?
DJI Pro 3.
Pro 3? How many?
Oh, sorry, Mini 3.
That is super sick. Does this controller come with it?
Oh, I paid extra. I paid $1,300 for the whole set.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a short video today. If you guys are new, subscribe, like. See you guys in the next one. Peace.